Hi, this is Jim from Animal Makers, here to show you our brand new 2013 gorilla suit. This is Colossus. It's an amazing suit. It is done with the finest fur, hand wefted in Boston by National Fiber Technologies. It offers the latest in simple animatronics with eye turns and blinks and mouth open shut, and also offers the performer ability to see pretty easily using video glasses and a camera that's actually put in the nostril of Colossus. Colossus is very flexible. There's an amazing muscle suit underneath that fur. It allows him to move around, which is kind of what we're trying to show off here. And you can animate the face while he's moving around. And he has a very sure footing, so he's able to do a lot of tricks and stuff. This is done with the arm extensions, so the arms of the performer are extended out as they walk. And there are also another set of gloves for handling products. This video also shows a little bit of the behind-the-scenes work in creating Colossus and creating all of these special molds that are used to build the heads and the hands and the feet and all that. And you can see the sculpting of the face. This was done in wed clay and modeled after Colossus, is a very famous gorilla that was in the Ohio Zoo. So we thank you very much for your interest in this suit. We're really hoping he gets out in 2014 and shows his stuff. We're looking for some great creative and some fun filming, and we know we'll give whoever might want to shoot him a good return and a lot of interested people. He's going to be a great piece. So I'm going to leave you again with just a little bit of the suit performance. Keep in mind the performer was just told to go out and move around, so there's not a lot of planning on this. You guys are the filmmakers, I'm the animal maker. And I'd sure like to work with you on your next project. And thank you so much for coming by. Look forward to seeing you next time.